पण नाही. काय करायचं? चेक इट. ओके, on the machine there is IDE available. You can write the code, run it, compile it, run it, then check the outputs and then make your concepts clear. Okay, any doubts regarding incremental operator? These are unary operators, unary incremental operators. Clear? Next, suppose tell me the output of this. Minus minus, b is equal to a minus minus. So what is the output of this? So first just make b is equal to a and a is equal to a minus 1. A minus minus is a minus 1. So what is the output? A is equal to b, 10 is assigned to b and a is equal to 9. So output is 9 and 10. Clear? That is post decrement unary operator. Post decrement unary operator. Clear? Similarly, minus minus a, pre decrement unary operator. So what is the output? First a is equal to clear. So a minus 1, that is 9, and again 9 is current value in the a variable, so 9 9. This is the correct output. Okay, so at the time of practical you check it. Okay, any doubts regarding second type of operators, that is unary? No or yes? Any doubts are there? Clear? So next is logical operators. So what is meant by logical operators? And then or then not. These are logical operators. So what is the use of logical operators? Logical operators are used for ANDing, ORing or not. Okay, this actually returns what? True or false. Okay, so how it works? Actually we can take the examples for that in the next lecture. Okay, how it works, but for that we know some conditional statements, that is loop statements, iterative statements, if else. Okay, then again relational operator. Relational operator, so it gives you relation between two operands, and these are also binary. All these are also binary operators. Okay, only not is a unary, which performs operator whatever may be the value of this, negation of this, so it works on only single operand, that is unary operand. Okay, next both are binary one. Relational operators, that is less than, greater than, equal to. आता बघा मॅथमॅटिकल मध्ये इक्वल टू, ग्रेटर दॅन और इक्वल टू, लेस दॅन, इक्वल टू, हे ऑपरेटर इक्वल टू, ग्रेटर दॅन, इक्वल टू. These are two different or same? In mathematics, suppose 10 is equal to greater than 20 or 10 greater than equal to 20. These are the two operators. In maths, you study maths till 12th. Okay, continuous mathematics, discrete mathematics. So both are same or different? Same. Okay, it is treated as same in mathematics. But here in C language, there is one relational operator like greater than equal to is a operator present. This is correct. Lots of time, what you have to do the same mistake, that is you use equal to greater than. These notations, okay, for comparison, relation, checking relation between two operands, but it is wrong. This type of operator does not exist in C, CPP, Java, .NET. Okay, this type of operator does not exist in formal languages. Okay, so this is the wrong one. And sometimes you write this operator for comparing variable A and B, and you use the wrong results, and you doesn't understand the value of A is okay, B is okay, then it is why it gives you wrong results. Okay, or sometimes previous compilers are there, they use syntactical error. Okay, sometimes new compilers gives you warning. Okay, but there is a warning, you can run it. That's why it gives you wrong results. But previously, there is no, it gives you syntactical errors. This operator is not present. Okay, it is a wrong operator. Clear? So, note down that only greater than equal to operator is there. Okay, this operator is there. Equal to previous and greater than, this operator does not exist in formal languages. Clear? Similarly, greater than, less than, equal to. So, greater than equal to, less than equal to, but equal to कधी असतं? Next. In formal languages. Equal to first, it is wrong. Clear? So, clear this? Then equal to, okay. Or not equal to. These are the relational operators. And what relational operator returns? Relational operator always returns true or false. True means 1, false means 0. And these are used in the condition parts of control statement or selection statements. What is meant by selection statement? What is meant by control statement or iterative statements, or it is simply called as loop. Okay, jumping statements. So that part is second chapter. That chapter we can see all this part. But whenever there is a condition, we can use the relational operator. And this relational operator returns true, that is 1, and false, that is 0. For example, this is one condition. If A greater than equal to 20, that's आहे का? नाही. So what relational operator returns? False. False means 0. So instead of this, at the runtime, if 0 is the value. At the runtime, if 0. And if 0 false, then whatever may be written in the if part does not get executed. Clear? And if the value, suppose 30 is greater than equal to 20, yes, it returns true, that is 1. If 1, then the body of if get executed. That is the meaning. But we have to study it next. Okay. So this is called as relational operator, which gives you relation. And what it returns? It returns true or false. True means 1, false means 0. Clear? As well as logical operators return true or false. Okay, these operators are mostly used in the conditional parts of selection, branching, looping statements. जसं तुम्हाला मी मध्ये सांगितलं, सिंपल स्टेटमेंट आपण म्हणतो ना मराठीत कसे आहेत. सिंपल स्टेटमेंट म्हणजे काय? साधं वाक्य, मिश्र वाक्य, संयुक्त वाक्य. तसेच लँग्वेज मध्ये सुद्धा सिंपल स्टेटमेंट, कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंट, लूपिंग स्टेटमेंट म्हणजेच ते कशाचे आहेत? संयुक्त वाक्याचे. क्लियर? सेम सो त्या पार्ट मध्ये आपण हे कसे वापरायचे त्याच्यावर भरपूर लॉजिकल प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट आहे ते आपण बघू. लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर, रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर. Understand what is the meaning and mostly where it is used in the part of condition. Clear? Outside the condition it does not work properly. So these are mostly used at the time of conditional